Quick look at what an electrician earns in Vietnam. The average salary of an electrician in Vietnam is 4,100 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before the government takes its share. After tax, that drops to $3,700, which leaves you with roughly $308 in monthly take-home pay. While those numbers show the national picture, pay goes up if you work in larger urban areas. For example, the city salary after tax in Ho Chi Minh City reaches $4,300. Employers there pay noticeably more, but the higher cost of living in big cities often eats up that advantage. On top of that, an entry-level electrician income sits well below this average, though pay rises steadily as you gain practical experience. That growth can slow down over time unless you step into a supervisor role. Getting a degree or higher technical education helps too, because specialized qualifications allow you to move into higher paying positions, like electrical engineer or project manager. Finally, your employer makes a huge difference. Small local firms pay a fraction of what large national companies offer, whereas international businesses provide the highest electrician wages overall.